So this right here is a pre-spatted Ranunculus corm. Now Ranunculus like a cool growing season. So once the temperatures breach, about 75 or so degrees, the corms really shut down. And so in order to maximize the profits we do from these flowers, we have to get them in the ground early. Now last year we planted them out in the beginning of February, and this year we're trying something a little different. We're going to try succession planting them starting in November, December, and January, hopefully extending our bloom season. Bed prep for Ranunculus is exactly the same as it is for any other plant. We're going to get the amendments right, we're going to broad fork the bed, we're going to tilth it, and add compost if we need it. Our 30-inch beds are made exactly the same they would for any other crop. Now for the planting, we're going to use the gritter to go ahead and space out our plants. We're going to give them a 6-inch spacing. For this, we're using the number 4 spool. So we use the number 4 spool here to make sure that we have adequate airflow around a ranunculus. They have room to grow, but ranunculus can really be planted pretty close together. So we're planting 4 rows on a 30-inch bed with 6-inch spacing. This is going to allow us to have a really dense canopy to prevent those early season weeds, but it's also going to force those flowers to grow up so we have really tall stems, but it's still going to allow for that airflow so we can prevent some disease. So a dense planting, not too dense, but a nice lush canopy going straight down with beautiful blooms.